8 habits of highly productive people. Number one habit, remove the unimportant and focus on the important. Number two, work on 80-20 rules. 20% tasks that make the most impact. Habit 3, take strategic break. Rejuvenate to walk the longer road ahead. Number 4, remove distraction. Things that limit your productivity. Number 5, set a timeline to focus on what need to be done. Number 6, create your flow environment, a space that inspires you fully. Number 7, use time pockets. Make a best of every minute. Number 8, automate. Use technology whenever you can.